I'm going to break down and show you how much money I put into my own pocket on a store that generated over $100,000 in only 20 days.
As you can see here, this is a store that I'm referring to. It did $107,000 in revenue in 20 days. So based off that $107,000 that I generated, I obviously had expenses that I had to pay for. One of those expenses being the total cost of goods sold. So as you can see, I sold 578 units and I was getting the product for $80, which means based off that many units sold, I spent a total of $46,240 on products. My next expenses, as you can see, were my marketing expenses, which I spent $30,618, and I'll show you that as well on my Facebook Ads Manager. After all my expenses, that leaves me with a little bit over $31,000 in profit. With that being said, that's how much money I put in my own pocket after 20 days on this store. This is the good profit in dropshipping. If 30% margin on the product, so you can easily make a good profit with your dropshipping business. So start dropshipping and make big money.